Okay, we're gonna try to move this this big rock to the front of the property for our entrance or driveway. It was right there. It pushed downhill barely. It is super heavy. I would guess it's like over 10,000 pounds. So anyways, we got like 3 chains. I wrapped this one around the back of it, and what I want to do is I want to get the pull from the back and the bottom, so it wants to do that. I don't want any kind of pulling down on it, because it'll dig into the dirt. So I think we got it pretty good. These 2 chains are crisscrossed, so hopefully they stay underneath the rock. And here we go. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, so chain slipped out and it was just gonna spin the rock around. So now I got just experimenting. I don't have another chain. If we had a couple more chains, it'd be easy, but okay, pull it back a little bit. Oh, I think that might grab it perfect. Oh, yes! Yes! All right. Okay. I'll drive now. I think that worked great.
Oh,
Good thing we were standing over there.
you see how far that thing went?
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, working some more today on this campsite. We're gonna try to open up, get some sunlight in here. Keep this little patch trees. Definitely keep that big one. It's like the centerpiece tree. This one, get rid of that one, get rid of some, like a lot of these over here. And this will be kind of our flat grassy area. We found some more rock underneath this guy. I think there's quite a bit of flat rock here. We'll try to unearth the topsoil, but that's all rock. And got a little bumblebee hive. We were gonna leave those guys alone. Because bumblebees are not very aggressive at all. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. I'm really excited to get some sun in here. We're gonna smooth out this dirt super nice. Spread some grass seed We got our lawnmower back. We're cool.
No! Fuck! God damn it!
All right, we're bringing in the big guns. We could have got it out of here with this, but we already lost the hook off of one chain, and these are new, nice chains, so I didn't want to keep abusing those by yanking on them. I think our hook went off into orbit, so we got this little grade 8 bolt. We're gonna hook this up to the 6x6, and I'm not even sure if we're gonna need a push, but we're gonna have Jeffrey pushing if need be. We're gonna see how this goes. All right, Jeffrey's gonna give this a shot, pulling with the truck. All right, go ahead. Adjust that chain. All right, we got this thing centered again. We're gonna try again. It works. You gotta put it in 6-wheel drive every time you start it up. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like no problem. So cool.
Tight trees right here, and we had to back in here, so that wasn't very fun. And then we were pulling it with the tractor, and the chain broke, and it flew like, had to be at least going like 100 miles an hour. It was crazy.
now we're just placing it where we want it. Get that chain, dude. Moving these huge rocks a long ways, it's kind of impossible not to scratch them up and stuff, but I think we did pretty good. Still got a lot of moss on this one. Over time, those fresh scratches will go away. They'll look old at least. Real pretty rock. Oh no! Oh, that's kind of cool, but I don't think I want it. That might be kind of where we want it. That thing's cool. Nice. I think I'll move this one back in here. Me and Jeffrey built that cool mailbox that the post office won't deliver to, because you have to have cluster boxes or something lame. Might mess with it later, but that's pretty cool. Yeah. Nice. Oh, hold on. Super cool. All right, so our campsite is a mess. We uprooted a whole bunch of trees. We got a big burn pile going already. It's our awesome view. We're gonna open it up a little bit more. And then this is gonna be like our centerpiece tree. So when trees are really densely clustered together, they protect themselves from the wind. But since we're kind of opening this up, this thing's gonna be a lot more exposed. And also, it's basically just sitting on a flat rock. We uprooted a couple more over around it, and the dirt is only like 6 inches thick. So it's just like a mat of roots sitting on the rocks. They were super easy to uproot. So I'm gonna heavily prune this oak. It's probably gonna be a little bit bare in the beginning, but it'll definitely bounce back. I just really don't want that one to fall over and If you know trees, that is a really heavy tree. It's got a lot of big branches. So we'll lighten it up, thin it out. And I think we might end up doing a tree house in it, and I might do some big metal posts and kind of tie it in. Maybe that'd help keep it secure too. But we definitely won't like just attach the tree house to the tree. That's a beautiful tree. And then we're gonna set up a tire swing on it too. All right, here we go.
Yeah, it would. It's a hard life. had to switch to the 660 on this one because the other one just wouldn't cut it.
We got a lot done today. This is a way bigger project than I anticipated. Like everything is. This tree came out. Super cool. Sure, that'll fill back in pretty quick. But we took a ton of weight off that thing. I'd say probably 40%. I'm gonna take, I think, that one and that one, those two like medium-sized trees out. And I think this will really stand out. Yeah, we just lit this. This thing's going up super good.
Nice. That's cool. Yeah. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, bud. Good boy, bud. Yeah, buddies. Yeah, that's a good boy. Good boy, bud. Good boy. Good old boy. Good old boy. Good old boy. That's, yeah, bud. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. My little pumpkin.